how to create digital Christmas cards on Canva. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, we will be showing you how you could use Canva to create Christmas cards that you could send to your families, to your friends, and other people as well. So let's get started. We have Canva over here. Now, I have two different approach when creating our Christmas cards. The first approach is by using templates created by other people. So you can simply select your search bar over here and simply search Christmas cards. Now, by doing this, we will be able to view templates created by other people with the specific theme or the specific topic, Christmas cards. And as you can see, there will be a lot of different options for us to choose from. So if you are lacking time and if you just want to easily create some Christmas cards that you could send to people, you could easily use some of these templates and you could customize them. You could create your own design. You could make them a bit unique. For example, this one, you can click on customize this design, which would allow you to make some customization, some modification with the design that you have just saw or just seen. For example, this one over here. So everything that is created in Canva consists of different elements. So you could view here, if you click on position and layers, you could check out all the different things that makes up this design. So you could do some modification. You could change the things around. So for example, you could select Christmas over here. You could move it to the right side. You could select the house over here. You could move it to the other side as well. Something like that. Then you could make some changes. So depending on how you want things to be, you could easily do stuff like that. Then you could have some images if you guys want. You could add some images of your family. So over here, there are some options that would allow us to add some frames. For example, this one. So you could select that, or you can simply drag it over here. Let's simply drag it. I don't want it to fill our design, but I guess it's doing that. So we could go with frames. So for example, this one, you could add your photo or like a photo of your friend, something like that. So you could utilize this as well. The elements are the thing that people use the most to create amazing designs. For example, you have that. And you could search any type of element that you want. So for example, we could search another Christmas related elements over here. Click on that, then simply click on graphics. And you will be able to see all the different types of elements that are actually related to Christmas. So you can simply decorate your Christmas digital design just like that. And there are other templates that we view over here that we viewed, and each of them has different unique designs. Now, you also don't need to actually do or follow any of the process that I have just shown you. You could start by also creating your own design from scratch. You could either choose from creating a blank over here, or you could click on create a design over here on the top right and click on custom size. So you could create custom size digital Christmas card. So the size of the or the shape of the design or template would be up to you. You can simply put them over here. You have pixel or inches, millimeter, or centimeter. That depends on your preference with the width and height as well. So for us, let's actually go and create a blank one with the option or the similar sizes of what we just saw over here. So we will be redirected over here. Now, we will be starting from scratch. So let's simply go to elements over here and simply search for Christmas once again. Now, we have a lot of options over here. We have photos as well that we could use. And we have graphics. So for us, let's actually maybe use this ribbon over here. Just like that. Then we could make it bigger. So we could have this as like a gift for our relatives. So, and then you could check out some Christmas graphics over here that would allow us or have a very simple design for us. So we could add this one over here, for example. Put it on the top part of our design. Could distribute it with different sizes. There we go. Maybe in the middle is the biggest. There we go. And then, or actually, we could just put it on the corner for now. Then we could look for other designs over here. Let's look for a very suiting or a very simple Christmas tree. Because of course, what kind of Christmas card does not have a Christmas tree? Now, I also like some this type of designs on our Christmas card, so I could add that. So I could put that there for now. We could add this to some other things later on, or you could put it in the middle, just like that. Then we could get some images again, just like what we did earlier with our example. But let's leave that for now. Then let's look for other designs over here. We could add some glitters over here, or like some stars effect, something like this. We could make it smaller, just like that. Put it on random areas. Now, my design will not be very good, but I believe you guys will be able to produce better outputs than what I am doing right now. But I'm just showing you how you could utilize the elements, because there's a lot of elements that you could utilize over here. And let's say we could simply put this just like that, then put it on the background, just like that. And then I guess we could go and add the thing that I was saying, the frame. Scroll down, add a frame. Here we go. Position it in the center a bit, just like that. Position it a bit to the back. There we go. Then you can simply upload some images that you have. Let's go and check if we have some images that we could use. For example, this one, we could use that for our element over here for our frame. Let's move that a bit. There we go. Just like that. You could put on the photo of your family member that you want to send this with, or send this to. It's completely up to you on what type of images that you want to add there. So over here now on the text, we could add some Christmas, and we could see all the different elements or texts that we could use that are related to Christmas. And maybe this one over here, I could say Merry Christmas. Then like that. Then I click on enter so that it's a bit bigger. Then we have this. There we go. And it's not the best, of course. I'm not that great with designs, but you get the idea that I have. You will be able to use Canva with the elements and text. And after that, after creating your design, simply click on share. And you could either click on download over here. You could download it as a PNG, JPEG, or whatever file type that you want. And you can simply send it to your relatives. Now, if you want to take it a step further, you could either print it as well by using Canva, or you could go to Printify and create your actual Christmas card by using this platform, and actually sell it to other people if you want, because you will be able to create any type of design, or you could put any type of design on any product that is available over here, which could also give you some earning potential if you guys want to do that or try that out as well. But that's basically it, guys. That is the idea. So that's basically it. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.